scenario involves a user searching for a flight and adding it to a trip. So the user already has created a trip already, which can be seen here, with the destination and the dates. So let's say we want to fly off on the 10th of May, and we'll search for a flight, and the list of available flights will appear, which is pulled from our external API. So from here, a user is able to sort by price, which is $906. You just gotta add it to a trip, and here we can select which trip we want to add it to. In this case, since we're going to JFK, let's add it to the New York trip. So as you can see, it's been added to the New York trip, and we can go on to the Trips tab, click the New York trip, and it will appear here with all the necessary details. Our next scenario involves the collaboration demonstration. So right now, as you can see, I am on joe@gmail.com, and the account is Joe Tan, and Joe has been added to this particular trip, the New York trip. So right now, if Joe adds an attraction, so let's say we want to find an attraction in New York, and the dates we want it to be 11th of May. Alright, so he can add a attraction to a trip, so let's say New York, and it will be added to the trip. So the unique thing about this is when we click in, we can see that there are actually multiple people in this particular trip. So let's head on to a new account. So as you can see, this account is also on the same New York trip. As you can see, it is a completely different account. And if I click in, you can see that the trip that Joe just booked is reflected in a different user's trip, page. And you can also see all of the changes that the user has made recently, and it gives you a timestamp. The next demonstration also involves some kind of collaboration. So this time we'll be using booking a hotel as an example. Before we begin, take note of the notifications here. Our most recent notification is flight booked, and that is going to change when we eventually book a hotel. So I'll go to my trips, New York trip, and here we have a hotel that has been saved. So we have all the necessary details over here, and let's click book hotel. And we can select the people who we want to book the hotel with. So I'm going to click confirm booking. Okay, so the hotel has been booked. So remember how the latest notification back then was for booking a flight. Now it should be hotel booked, which is a new notification. So since I am currently on the account Joe, I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to log into a different account on the same trip. So here, we don't even have to click into the New York trip. We can see that our friend has actually helped us book the hotel. So this allows users to see the status of each component. And as you can see here, it has been booked.